just went back to another quick video. So somebody asked on a previous video if binary options is still even a thing nowadays, if anybody is still trading binary options. Yes. The short answer is definitely yes. Binary options is still a thing, and I still do trade binary options here and there. You see, this is my current account. It just says $30 in it. Basically, what I usually do, this is basically a loss that I took last week. Basically, what I do is I just deposit my $10 and then I try to grow it to $100, $200. Then I make a withdrawal and then start again, because it's no longer my main focus. Back in the day, I think most people who started in forex probably came across binary options at some stage of their journey in trading, or IQ options, especially if you started trading in South Africa. There was a period where binary options was like the big thing. Nowadays, I think not so much so. I think when we started, we thought binary options was forex trading, when it's actually not the same, technically not the same thing. For example, binary options, basically what you're looking to do with binary options is you are, I'm simplifying things here, is you're basically trying to predict from here, is price going to go up or going to go down, like lower or higher. Then you probably place a bet, and if after the countdown, this time that's counting down, after it goes to 0 and the price is above the point where you said it's going to be higher, like from this point, and it is around this point, or somewhere, even a tiny movement above the point that you entered, then you stand to make some profit. That's basically it with binary options, but it's very, very risky. It's one of the riskiest things that you can ever do in trading. You can see here, I just have $30. Like last week, I lost $2, so I was at 40. I lost some $2. I haven't traded this week yet, because my strategy is usually I don't trade real markets like this. I wait for weekends. When I get time on weekends, you can see here where it says OTC, over the counter, and here it's not yet open because we are still 9 hours before the open of the weekend trading, which is highlighted by the OTC. I don't usually try to do binary options during the trading week, because then you are trading binary options based on whatever is happening in the forex industry, which means you can actually be caught out by news events and things like that, which I try to avoid. So my personal opinion, it's just my personal opinion, if you're going to try and trade binary options, especially on like a broker like IQ options, best trade it during the weekends when there is no major news, there is no news, so you are most likely not to get caught out by spikes. You can lose money by other means, of course, that's guaranteed. You will lose here and there, but you should be able to take the hits that you can survive from. So in order to take the hits that you can survive from, I believe you need to trade the binary options during the weekends. So binary options trading is still a big thing. For example, if we go to the leaderboard here they can tell you, they can show you, this is just my fake name on IQ options, so don't worry about that. They can actually give you rankings. You can see here people who are making money in South Africa. who are making money in binary options in South Africa. This week this should be the leaders of the week, leaders of this week. So this is gross profit that people made this week only, and you can see somebody in South Africa has just made 4.6 thousand US this week. 3,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. It goes on and on. If maybe we change it to, you can actually look at the leaderboards for various countries. This is in your region, and we can actually go to worldwide, and you can see here somebody in this country. What's the name of that country? I thought I saw that flag. No, it's not there. I don't know the name of this country, but this guy has just made over 127,000 US this week trading binary options. Maybe they're also trading forex, because you can actually also trade forex with this broker. Here you can go to forex, and then you can actually trade forex also with them, and commodities. The problem with them when it comes to trading forex and things like that, the spread is, it's madness. At least in my opinion, the spread is crazy. So that's why I do not, I think I've done once or twice. When I'm in a good mood, I can try to catch a good forex trade, but mostly I use the broker for options. For options it's good. And like I said, during the weekends when I've got free time, if I don't have free time, then I just let it be. My strategy is just to deposit $10 with this broker, try to get that $10 to $100, $200, $300, something funny, then I withdraw my money, then I start again. My main focus is when I'm with forex trading is actually on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 with my broker, which is XM. The link is in the description box below if you want to sign up with them. Very good broker. Then they are also a good broker, IQ option, especially if you are trying to trade these binary options. So it's some of the things that you can also do. I always say, if forex is not working for you guys, there is something out there that you can actually also use to make money. Like I'm showing you here, somebody has just banked 127,000 US this week. You can see all these guys, they are making money with this broker. They're making money with this broker. So it's still very possible. If forex is not working out for you, you can still make money elsewhere. Binary options, the synthetic indices with the derivative platform, and many other things. Stock trading, you can make money with stock trading as well. So yeah, binary options is still indeed alive, as you can see, and people are still making money in binary options. Do I recommend people just go into binary options? Well, who knows? You never know. If you're struggling with forex trading, maybe consider getting into binary options and see if it's going to work out for you. If you are afraid of losing money, which I don't know what you'll be doing in trading if you're afraid of losing money, I think you probably want to stay away from binary options. They can be crazy sometimes. So yeah, I thought let me just answer that question. Is binary options even still a thing these days? It's still very, very much alive. It's just more sorry, it's just that most people have moved away from it to focus on stock trading, synthetic indices, and forex trading. Like the video. If you want to see me talk more about binary options, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.